training. I don't think that's all we need to practice. Now listen, this is important. We have a mission for the Emperor.
The Emperor? For China?
Yes, we have a special delivery that must reach him before sunset tonight.
What kind of delivery?
I do not know. One does not question the will of the Emperor.
Well, if it's for the Emperor, it's probably valuable, so maybe we should bring some guards with us.
Where do you think we're going to find guards now?
Right there. Are among these people?
They don't look like warriors to me. No offense.
Come on, great. Look at them. They look tough, brave. Some of them look pretty big.
We only have one boat.
Not a problem. I know where we can get more boats.
An interesting thought, but that must be the delivery. We need to get moving quickly.
If we're gonna get that delivery to the Emperor by sunset tonight, I know. Come on, let's go.
Yes, I'm coming. And I suppose this means that you're coming along too. I'm sure we'll have a lovely time risking our lives for the terrible dangers that lie ahead.
The land of eternal winter, and defeated the armies of Zhang the Impossible. I present His Majesty's Royal Emissary.
Greetings from the Emperor. My name is Madam Yi.
Thank you. We will take it from here.
This box isn't going anywhere without me.
Whoa! That was like number 7 of the 12 impossible moves.
Ah, you have great knowledge in the art of Kung Fu. You must be the Dragon Warrior.
Yeah, you know what? You did that move so fast I didn't even see it. Can I see it again?
Oh, certainly.
Perhaps another time. We have important business with the Emperor.
Master Shifu is right. We do have a job to do.
You are the great Master Shifu.
Well, I am, my
You
respect.
don't look half as grouchy and stuffy as they say.
What?
You can run along now. We'll be on our way. We need to get to the Emperor by sundown.
Pardon me, madam. This mission will be very dangerous, even for the Dragon Warrior. I will accompany him.
You? Does he have to come?
Well, he is the greatest Kung Fu teacher in all of China. And he's super duper wisdom. Plus, he paid for the boats.
All right. He can come.
Madam Yi, I must respectfully recommend that you remain here. Let me explain. To safely reach the Emperor's palace, we must navigate through the Dragon Teeth Rapids, then over not one, but 2 deadly waterfalls. Those are followed by the most perilous caverns imaginable, and carrying such valuable cargo will certainly attract the attention of the bandits, cutthroats, and pirates who prowl the river.
I hope you're finished because we're burning daylight. And who are they?
Oh, those are our guards to make sure the special delivery gets to the Emperor safely.
Whose idea was that?
Well, it certainly wasn't mine.
Because it's a great idea.
That's what I thought!
Now you, be careful with that. I am so pleased to have the Dragon Warrior with me. And the Emperor will be pleased as well.
This will be great!
Yes, this will be
What was that?
I said, yes, this will be great.
Attention, awesome warriors! In order to begin your journey, when the doors open, please enter the vehicle of 5 rows, 5 passengers per row. So watch your step. Then, you move to the furthest available row and seats. That way everybody can sit down. Now supervise your children and make sure those little ones have their own seat on board the vehicle. Lap sitting is a no-no. Please secure all loose articles under your seats so nothing flies out. Then, once seated, you can put your glasses of awesomeness on. Keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times and pull down on your lap bar only after the other guests in your row have been seated. Throughout your entire adventure, hold on to your lap bar at all times. Warning! Kung Fu Panda Unstoppable Awesomeness takes place on a turbulent boat ride that includes strong tilting and jarring actions. And no eating, drinking, smoking, photography, or video recording is permitted. Sorry. Thank you for your cooperation. Now enjoy the bodacious journey!
Hey everybody, are you ready to go? Okay guys, fill her up! Oh, Madam Yi, please, let me help you.
You're such a good boy. You there, Butterfinger. Be careful with that clock.
Excuse me, but I was the one
It was late and holding us up.
Hang on everybody, this should be quite a ride! Oh, all of China, prepare to be saved!
I can do this all day. You know what your problem is? You worry too much.
No, I worry exactly the right amount.
The man says there's a block in the river.
Let me see that.
Somebody grab that! Oh no! So now what are we gonna do?
Do not worry, everything will be okay.
Oh hey, look, we got the map back! Thanks guys! Hey, that's weird. It's like a river just ends up ahead.
According to the map, it's a waterfall.
I hope you can swim.
I'm glad you're back. Tommy Rock.
Please try to stay with us. These are supposed to be our guards. Wow! We need to be quiet, Poe. This is the dreaded Kang territory.
Did you hear that, guys?
Why is Kang so dreaded?
Madam Yi, please. Kang's wolves are the most feared and ruthless river pirates anywhere.
But why?
Hello, he's a wolf pirate.
And he's known for his cunning.
Holy crap! I am Kang! Prepare to die!
Oh, watch out! Watch out, Poe!
I am Kang! I must have that bonus so fast! That is for you, and this is for the Emperor!
Watch for the flying!
Don't worry, I got this! Oh, surprise again! Kang's got a box!
Look, it's almost sunset, and there's the palace.
You guys still back there? All right, look, the Emperor's gonna be real mad about losing a special delivery.
Let me handle this.
But I'm the Dragon Warrior.
Now, what? Happy birthday, son!
Mother, is that who I think it is? You brought me the Dragon Warrior? This is the best birthday ever!
Poe is the special delivery.
When you brought I looked
So if Poe was the special delivery, then what was in that box?
Oh, it was just some fireworks for the party.
Surprise! I am Kang! Prepare to...
That's right.